Hi everyone. Most of blades what I'm using, this is with thread for grinder. So easy to install, don't need anything, just put it in, put it out. So if you need to remove, just take some tools, hold this button, you see, hold this button and just remove it. So when you remove it, just to hold button. When you remove it, and you see here is a thread. If you wanna use blade like this, you see it's so nice. I just bought it months ago and don't have time to grind with this blade, and in one drop I just killed this blade. You see this is flat already. So and I install this one. Very good dust collection, because you see so many big holes and whole dust going to the dust shroud in this area, you see. So and now we need to install it. You see different holes. This is with thread, this is nothing, you know. And what we have to do with any angle grinder, we have two pardon, we have two different washers. So one washer is bigger, you see, and it's not exactly circles. Here is some little square, you see. So, and also if you have a look right here, we have some squares right here. So first of all, need to install this washer. We put this side down like this. See, install it, but usually you see it's fixed because there is square. Usually it's not enough height, need to, because if we install now, the blade will be attached to the dash shroud and can break the dash shroud. So need to another washer we, because you see here we have extra circle and here is the something deep circle. It's fit together like this, you see. So first of all we put this square and just try it. Okay, it's fixed. Then put another one, you see, this deep side on top. And now we can, and here is we have some special depths to put it in. So now it's fixed. Then we take the another nuts. We take nuts, put it over. It's this nuts with thread. Then take the key, press the button on the bottom, you see. Okay, stop. And that's it, done. So now we install it, but we have dash shroud and need to put it down, attach the blade to the flat surface, put down dash shroud. It should be attached also, and then we screw it in. You see, now blade and dust shroud flat, and now we can start grinding. Easy. If you need to remove it, press this button at the bottom. If you want to change the blade, unscrew it. If you take this out, this blade, if you want to install same blade, just put it in and screw it in. If you don't want to use same type of blade, you want to use with thread, just remove these two washers, put this thread, and that's it. And you can make this the shroud push down, for example, unscrew this part, slide it down, attach the blade to the flat surface, screw it in. You see, now blade flat with dust shroud, and dust not coming out from the very easy. So if you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I will always answer you. So I wanna use this blade because it's really nice blade. I put it in, I put it to this, press the button on the bottom, now we need to make flat. It's usually, it looks like very easy to do it because I know how to do it. So, but some of you never installed this type of blade and stuck how to do it. So now we know. You see how it's nice. Just connect the cyclone, vacuum, and start grinding. Easy. See you next video. This combo dual angle grinder, 5-inch, this dash shroud and that blade, very good because easy to do any grinding work. You can connect to any plugs, regular plugs. It's never shut off because regular plugs approximately 15 amps. This takes 10-12 amps, so very comfortable. Instead of when I'm using a 7-inch grinder, I have to use special plug because there is 19, takes 19 amps. I highly recommend this blade. You see these big holes that collect very easy dust, very clean job.